Hi, y'all. My wife said there's cats in the garage, right? Okay, so I came up with a simple solution since she's all allergic and stuff. This is how we do it. Let's do this. Alright, now you have to be very steady. Alright, follow me. She said that she saw one by the wood splitter. Let's go in. Oh shit! Alright, I saw something move. That means that something's back there. Let's go. Oh. Crikey! That one was a big one. Oh. Oh. Alright. Follow me. Come on. Come on. Oh, I got it! I think I got it. Yeah, I got it. Come on! Alright, now let's go see our broad, shall we? Follow me. Stay right there. I got one! Yeah! Take a picture! Guys, this thing's insane! Ow! Nice. Really big. Look at this one. He's got a smile on his face. Ah shit! Oh, he's alive! He doesn't go! Oh shit! Go! Where? Go! I'll get you, you bitch! I got him, Mama! Get out of my house, girl! Wow, that's how you got rid of him. Don't do that. Touch it.
Alright, just working on the electricity here, giving some people some optimal online. Alright, that should do it. Okay, get me the fuck down here. I'm afraid of heights.
It's cold. Oh shit, it's cold.
I'm so afraid of heights.
I'm literally legit shaking right now.
No, you won't.
Completely like you, but step down a little bit.
I am so afraid of heights.
And just step down.
Shut up.
Oh, like, look, it's Kim.
You are on the escalator. You need to get down.
It looks like shit, but it's alright.
Dad!
Fucking tree.
Alright, I'll move the tree for you.
I can't get that tree.
We'll try now.
Stop.
I can't feel my hand.
You can't get down.
Oh, yeah.
I'm trying to help. No, it's stuck. I can't feel my face.
I'm so afraid of
Oh yeah.
I say we all go inside.
Alright, let's go. Come on. Come on, guys.
No, not even
Guys, come on. Guys,
Ow.
guys, I'm serious. Come on.
Go, come on.
No, come on. No, come on. Just leave him. He's fine. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Look, this is how we're gonna get him down. Get under him right now. Get under him.
Into my freaking head.
Go.
Helmet.
Oh! Turn off the fucking camera!